Okay, we are recording.
Alright, so we have the op amp connected to the iPhone, which is over here, way over here.
Yeah.
Right, it's going to send a signal out. It's going to go in here, go through the op amp, turn it as a digital on switch, which is going to hook up to the relay, and close the switch, sending a pulse. So I'm going to turn it on now. And it works.
You can feel it?
Yeah.
You can't really capture that with the camera. Oh yeah, yeah. Cool.
It's going faster and faster, so. And the tone is off, so it's going no matter what. So I think it might be about to blow. Cool, man.